Dumagundong ang buong Santiago City Sports Arena sa pagrampa ng 20 naggagandahang kandidata sa Binibining Santiago 2025, kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng Balamban Festival 2025. Nag-init ang stage sa pagbida ng mga kandidata ng kanilang mga balingkinitang katawan na talaga namang tinilian ng mga manonood at bawat isa sa mga kandidata walang nagpapatalo sa pagpapakita ng kanilang confidence on stage in their swimsuit wear.
All I can feel is immense pride. As mother of this city and mayor of this beloved Santiago, it is my utmost priority to empower women and children to reach for their dreams, to not just settle for mediocrity, but for excellence. May this competition be a reminder that dreams do not just come true overnight. Dreams mean hard work, perseverance, consistency, and an unwavering spirit.
Nagsilbing host sina Robby Domingo at Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Magnayon Gray. Nagsilbi namang judges sina Miss Grand International 2017 second runner-up Elizabeth Clancy, Miss Globe 2021 Maureen Montaigne, Miss Universe Philippines 2019 Gazini Ganados, at Miss International 2013 Bea Rose Santiago.
Our candidates have put so much work and ethics and professionalism into tonight. So they are just reaping and they're just sowing what they have planted. They have been blooming and they have truly showed us the authenticity, the grace, the power, and we cannot believe that these candidates, they are so young and so potent. They have so much potential in them that we can't believe it within our eyes that our generation has been blooming so fast.
Ang buong stadium star-studded at ang judges talaga namang napahanga sa mga kandidata.
Grabe! Pang Miss Universe ang level ng galing. 17 years old, ganun na mag-answer. Mayor, wala. Pang Miss Universe na, ipadala nyo na. Yung winner nyo, ipadala nyo na kaagad next year.
Pero kung sexy body check na tayo, up next, glamour, styling, posing, and elegance sa kanilang evening gown. Pero ang inaabangan ng lahat, ang question and answer portion na nagpapatunay na ang mga binibini sa Santiago City ay hindi lang magaganda kundi matatalino pa. Pero ang nangibabaw, ang winning answer ni Binibini number 13 Zachary Z. Buford ng Barangay Centro East.
Binibining Santiago 2025 is none other than Binibining 13 Zachary Z. Buford! Congratulations!
Binibining Santiago 2025.
Ang kanyang winning answer sa tanong na how can you encourage the youth to develop practical skills that contribute to sustainable livelihood and economic growth in the city?
The 8K pillars are known to establish an inclusive, holistic, and empowered approach to community development. They are platforms used to empower each and every one of us contributing to nation building. One of these pillars is the livelihood, which serves as dignity, stability, and opportunities for families. As a Binibini, I believe that I can contribute by taking advantage of our inclination to technology, empowering not just our entrepreneurs, but also the youth to be open-minded for business ventures. And with that, I believe that Santiago City would flourish even more. I am a proud Binibining Santiago, believing that empowerment begins with awareness and action, and I am committed to being a catalyst of this empowerment with one voice, one action, and one pillar at a time. Thank you so much.
Samantala, tinanghal na Binibining Santiago kalikasan si Sofia Julien Almazan. Binibining Santiago Sining at Kultura si Charmaine Angel Laco. Binibining Santiago Turismo 2025 naman si Novelin Balagtas. At syempre, hindi rin nagpapahuli ang nagpakilig sa selebrasyon na si Paulo Avellino na tinilian, dinumog at talagang pinalakpakan ng mga Santiagueño. Dante Gitu, Balitang, Solid North.